I have ZTE Axon 7 and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM and microSD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off, then touch power off just to confirm the whole operation. Then you need to open the slot. The slot is located right here at the left edge of the device. Let's simply use some paper pin or special eject tool just to open the slot. Here I have the simple paper pin. Let's just push it right here. And you can remove the whole tray right now. So let me do it. Let's remove the whole tray. And here you can insert the Nano SIM card. So let me start with the Nano SIM card. With the characteristic edge right here, let's put this card in that position. Alright. In the second slot you can insert Nano SIM card or microSD. So you can insert also the Nano SIM card right here. Alright, and now you've got dual SIM on your device, or you can use it for the microSD. Let me use it for microSD with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put it in that position. Alright, and now you can put the whole thing into your device. Let's just press it to the end. And now all you need to do is switch on your device and check out how your device works. And just make sure that your cards are working properly. So let's wait a few seconds. Alright, so now let's unlock the screen, find and select the settings, choose here network and internet, tap here the SIM cards, and you should find here the information about your SIM card. In my case it's right here. Let's go back. Choose here storage, and as you can see the device is using the portable storage, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.